Wan Jamila, known professionally as Art Jamila, is an award-winning savant artist known worldwide. Born in 2002 in Selangor, Malaysia, her journey in art began in 2006 when she was 4 years old. Her artistic career started in 2017 when she was 14 years old. At a young age, she had shown immense talents and achieved many accolades nationally and internationally. This video will give an overview of her achievements, her international awards, national awards, major exhibitions, and numerous merits she gained as a featured artist, including media coverage and being included in an encyclopedia publication called Britishpedia in Britain. She has gained several awards nationally and internationally. Among her international recognitions are, on 2nd December 2019, she was appointed as an Impact Artist in 2020 to 2022 by Via Talenta Foundation in Switzerland for sea pollution awareness. On 5th May 2020, she won the first place award in an Asian Frontliner Dame contest. In June 2020, she was in the World Generation Z article by AFP as a young Malaysian visual artist together with other creative individuals around the world for being creative and committed against the virus. This article received more than 200 media coverage worldwide in 6 continents of the world. On 10th May 2020, her painting titled Our Hero Series 3 was shortlisted in a global painting competition that was open to every artist in the world under the theme United Against Corona, organized by ICCR. On 2nd September 2020, her painting titled World Peace was selected as a header for World Peace Project 2020 Series 1, curated by Kerry Bowers from USA, in conjunction with World Peace Day on 21st September 2020. On 13th September 2020, her painting titled Our Hero Series 2 was selected for World Peace Project 2020 Series 3 in USA as well. Nationally, she was awarded as the weekly winner for a live painting competition called Negaraku, organized by National Art Gallery on 29 July 2017. On 28 July 2018, she won 3rd place at the National Art Olympics live painting competition. She was also appointed as a featured artist for Dana Jamin Mighty Run 2018 and it was a success. She was awarded as the National Autism Champion in conjunction with World Autism Awareness Day on 2nd April 2019. Her painting titled Unity in Diversity Series 3 adorned the Putrajaya sculpture at Putra Square for the country's Independence Day celebration in 2019. It received numerous media coverage worldwide. The sculpture won the President's Special Recognition Award under MIP My Place Award 2019, Excellence in Placemaking. She was also awarded as a featured artist by Angkasa in collaboration with the Faculty of Art and Design in UiTM, Kedah, for a 6 feet by 20 feet mural painted at Genius Kurnia in Kuala Lumpur as a tribute to Malaysia's 62nd Independence Day in 2019. On 14th May 2020, she received a consolation prize from National Arts Gallery in Kuala Lumpur for a live painting video on Portal Go Gallery. Jamila has also participated in numerous exhibitions. Her art career started with a very humble beginning by opening a booth in several bazaars and many solo exhibitions to obtain feedback from the public in 2017. These were booths at Tianjin Convention Centre and One Utama, and this was an exhibition at the Museum and Art Gallery at Bank Negara, Malaysia. This was her mini solo exhibition at Concord Hotel in Shah Alam, officiated by His Royal Highness Tengku Amir Shah, the Crown Prince of Selangor. From 2018 onwards, she participated in numerous exhibitions at national and international levels, together with other well-known professional artists, curated by professional curators from mainstream galleries. This was an international group art exhibition, Imago Mundi, with 600 artists from Asian countries Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia in 2018. She obtained media coverage by MHI TV3, a documentary regarding her art. From 2019 onwards, Art Jamila received invitations from prestigious mainstream galleries to join other professional artists in group exhibitions curated by professional curators. The selected shows were Ingenious Soul at Gallery Prima NSTP in January 2019 at a national level, Expresi Malindo at Shah Alam Gallery in July 2019 at an international level, RACS Art 2019 at KL City Gallery in December 2019 at a national level, Sakaki International Art Show in September 2020 at KL City Gallery, Traversing 175 at Gallery Prima NSTP in October 2020 at an international level, and Pameran Terbuka 2020 at Shah Alam Gallery. Finally, on 15 December 2020, Art Jamila was very honored to be invited as a special guest artist in an international virtual art exhibition comprised of 93 artists from 9 countries. The event was organized by Asia International Community of Art and Design, ICAD, in collaboration with Al-Biruni Gallery, Faculty of Art and Design UiT Ampera and Multimedia University. She had obtained numerous merits as a featured artist and recognition from various platforms. Her stories had also appeared in numerous newspaper media coverage worldwide, as well as numerous social news sites where she gained worldwide media coverage, and in social media. Her art and story has also been covered in magazines from all over the world. Interview sessions and documentaries about her work have also been broadcasted on television and on YouTube. She has also been called for live interviews at various radio stations. She managed to break many barriers at a very young age, and her unique biography creates history to inspire others for the next generations. Her success was documented in the Encyclopedia Britishpedia titled Successful People in Malaysia, which was published in October 2020 by British publishing house based in Britain. One doesn't have to be perfect to achieve big dreams.